If you're a visual person, then you can now control and monitor your n8n automations directly from Coda. This n8n pack that works alongside a Coda doc allows you to see visually what's going on in n8n. You can activate, you can deactivate, and you can delete, as well as see what's going on in individual workflows. And you get a dashboard with data as well. This is basically everything you wanted n8n to give you, all in one place. It's really, really easy to set up. All you've got to do is get yourself a free Coda account and then follow the instructions that are here. And then once you've done that, you can bring over everything from n8n. What you're going to be able to do is you're going to get a control panel where you can activate, deactivate, and delete workflows all from one place. And on top of that, you're going to get the Workflow Explorer, which means it's easy to find workflows and workflow details. So as you can see here, you've got all of these buttons that you can use. And if you need to, you can deactivate all your workflows at once, as well as being able to filter. And then in the Workflows Explorer as well, as you can see, you've got all of the information there, and you can see what is active, what isn't, as well as when it was last updated, which means if you're working on projects with other people, that can be quite useful information. So it's really easy for you to filter by webhook, filter by dates, and search by name. What you can also do with this is they've got executions, so we can get an overview of the latest executions, as well as a run history as well, to see exactly what is going on. And this is especially useful if you've got clients and you want to see what they're using, how they're using it, and so on. And again, you've got options to be able to filter. So this is free for you to get your hands on. And like I said, if you're somebody that's quite visual and needs this level of organization, then you can come and get it. You've got a maximum number of 250 synced workflows. You've also got a maximum number of 250 executions. However, if you come through to this page, have a word with Dennis. He can probably hook you up. I'll leave a link to this page down in the description, and I hope, like me, you find this incredibly useful. See you in the next one.